Hello everyone, this is Dr. Isha Bhatt from Department of Design, Banasthali University, Rajasthan, India. Firstly, I want to give thanks to Eurasia Research to give opportunity to present my paper on emerging trends of tribal textiles. Basically, I belongs to India. India has rich culture of traditional textiles. I am from design background, so want to show some glimpses of tribal textiles of India. So here my presentation on the topic of emerging trends in tribal textile have long tradition in the world. Indian textile and tribal textiles are one of the oldest in the world, dating back to Indus Valley civilization. One of the early parts of Veda, Rig Veda, mentions textile and weaving. There were a great variety of Indian textiles in Indian epics like Mahabharata, Ramayana, which indicates the importance that they have in Indian culture. These epic stories talk about the clothing that was worn by common people and artist crafts as well. Exporting Indian tribal textiles was a very common topic in Indian writings too. So audience, I want to show my some glimpses of textiles background. So the tribal textile of India is very important factor here. The day by day, the traditional theory of the Indian textile is being changed day by day. So here we can see the image of sari. In the India, many of the women are wearing sari, and this is the most important culture of the Indian women. Indian tribal textiles. Indian tribal textiles have been traded and exported to countries all around the world. There is quite a large variety of different textiles that are offered to countries, including kitchen, table linens, wall hangings, sheets, bed linens, etc. Curtains, handbags, many of the designer items and more. There are many different techniques, that is different weavers use that have created these many textiles. See, this is the some pictures of the traditional textiles of India. Like in the below picture, we can see that two of the horses, and this is the story of a marriage in which the horse is being going to for the marriage, and many of the peoples are playing the some of the trumpets and for the marriages. And in the upper side we can see the block printing designs. This is from the Sanganeri block print. It is situated in Sanganer nearby the Jaipur, Rajasthan. And in the left side we can see some of the traditional motifs. So audience, these are the many of the motifs of Indian traditional textile which is incorporated, and which are the day by day changes, basic designs and basic functions. So the great style and design of Indian tribal textile have remained strong for thousands of years. It means the design of the traditional textiles are being recorded, are being remained strong over the thousands of years. But day by day it will be changed, and in the future I think it has only the basic tradition, and it will be many of the motifs, and it will colors and motifs, dyes are totally being different to the Indian traditional textiles. The old and rich tradition of the Indian tribal textiles have helped to add to their modern expansion and styles. We can see in this image, this is the brocade image. This is the traditional weave technique, in which the white fabric and pink fabric we can see. The old traditional technique it is, and it will help in modern expansion and styles. The motifs are changed day by day, the colors and dyes are changed day by day. Now we can discuss the craftsmen. Most of the handicrafts artists do their work from generations to generations for survival, so that they get their efficiency to work in heritage, which they further improve through constant practice. The handicraft artists are the basic artists of the some basic handicraft, mm, which have a great traditional and generation survival. The fathers and the mothers and all the family are doing that basically particular work, particular artwork. Indian tribal textiles. Indian tribal textiles have been traded and exported to countries all around the world. There is quite a large variety of different textiles that are offered to countries, including kitchen, table linens, wall hangings, sheets, bed linens, etc., curtains, handbags, many of the items, many of the designer items, and more. There are many different techniques that is different weavers use that have created these many textiles. Now, conservation. Conservation is very important in today's world. Only because of modernization, it's making the entire human race absurd, which is insignificant and unimportant. Audience weavers are and other artists want to protect their arts. Indian culture is a combination of art, literature, religion, and philosophy, which means that Indian art have variety and tradition. It's said that Indian race is expressing its taste of beauty through uncountable ways, which is includes a beautiful, amazing handicraft tradition. But that means to protect this beauty should be the goal of human life. So conservation is very important in today's world, audience, because the modernization and the world is changing day by day and increasing some of the significance and marketing and many of the insignificant observed unimportant things are seeing. So Indian culture is a combination of the art, you can see art, literature, religion, and philosophy. Art is combined with the literature, literature is religion, religion with philosophy. Means that Indian art have variety of tradition. Emerging trends in textiles industry in India. Textile industry have many type of appealing of traditional knowledge. Sustainability in textiles and apparel industry has three facets: social, economic, and environmental. Globalization, as you know, globalization, the word, has had a positive impact on textile exports of India. Countries producing the exporting textiles have increased investment in spinning and the weaving equipments. Even though developing countries have comparative cost advantage in domestic and international market, still they are implementing structural changes to meet to needs of the global stringent buyers. Indian government has changed its aim to incipient export growth to increasing productivity. As productivity is increasing, as buyers are demanding day by day some of the new changes, so globalization has a positive impact on textile exports of India. Now, sustainability. What is sustainability? Sustainability is a important factor in traditional textiles or textile of India, or in the industries of India. Today has become a necessity driven by consumer awareness and preference of sustainable products. As you and me and all the audience and all the world want to sustainable products, compliance norms, and realization that to secure the future it is important to act today. Life cycle approach to sustainability in textiles and apparel industries entails ensuring three facets of sustainability. First is social, second economic, and third is environmental. These three phases are very important sustainability products. Emerging trends in eco-friendly textiles. As you, me, and all of the India, all of the world want the eco-friendly products, because here some we know the corona and many of the diseases are we are facing day by day. So we want to make hygiene in our fabrics and make a hygiene in our living style. So we want eco-friendly textile that will be help in our for fight some of the major COVID types of diseases. So nowadays world leaders have recognized the importance of green company practices and also value the point that eco-friendly cloths suits the epidermis greatest and protect atmosphere. The eco-friendly textiles are protections. Okay, this is a very important and protected textile which we can use, and by that we can face some security and face some safety from many of the diseases. Indian tribal textile have a long and interesting history. They have been traded all over the world and countries. India has a diverse and rich textile tradition. It has a wide range of the textiles of varied designs manufactured by different technique as compared to the other country of the world. The specialty in the weave of the textiles in each region is developed by own locations, climate, culture, influences. Like I can give you one example. Here I am living in the Jaipur. This is in state of Rajasthan, India, and here the climate is very dry. So some of the block printing types of the textile tradition, and Sanganeri printing and Bagru printing. These are type of the traditional textiles are running over here. But now we like that we can see the location, climate is a very important factor of the influences. In addition to being beautiful, Indian fabrics are the most suited to Indian climate. The weaves are often colorful. Fabrics are often worked over with incredibly intricate embroidery. Weavers, printers, and designers are facing many of the problems by the climate and culture influences, and obviously of the COVID influences. So, audience, we have to conserve our textile and we have to conserve our tradition for our culture. So this is my request to you all that please conserve your textile because this is the very important factor for our traditional of not of in India and of your country. This is the conclusion. These are the some of the most famous and unique textiles from India. These textiles have been developed over time and their production has been passed on through generations. They reflect the culture of the people from the different region in which they are produced. So, I want to give thank you to Eurasia Research Organization that they have given me the opportunity to present in front of you my presentation. Thank you very much. So I want to request you once again that please conserve your textile and please conserve your traditions like our India. Jai Hind.